In this video, I'll show you how to use a solid color wallpaper on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Now, this wallpaper is one for minimalists who want a simple wallpaper as their home screen wallpaper, and all you have to do is go into settings, and then under settings you want to ensure that you select home screen, lock screen and style, and then you want to select the theme that you want to use or the current theme that you want to use, just like that. And then under here, simply go to the lock screen, the home screen option, and ensure you select wallpaper. And here you should see the option to use a solid color, so tap on that. Then you can either select a gradient wallpaper or a solid color background, so you can select any color that best suits you, and you can even increase or reduce the intensity of that color. And once you find a color that best suits you, simply tap on apply, and that is going to be the solid color wallpaper, and it's going to be applied on your home screen just like that. If this video was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and God bless.